right, so she recently won she don't leave anything for anybody. Prof say, I'm cleaning up. 2 out of the 3 2024 Caribbean Global Awards she was contending for at the Global Health Leader, tied for Global Nurse of the Year. She's a Dean of the College of Health Sciences at the University of Technology. This is Professor Adela Campbell, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to you, Prof.
Good morning.
And congratulations and jubilations. First of all, tell us a little bit about this award ceremony.
Okay, so in March, someone in the UK sent me a flyer. Well, it was advertised in the Caribbean Global Awards. And I sent it in a few WhatsApp group. And then it's like, why don't you apply? Why don't you submit your portfolio?
So you send it out to other people and you never apply yours? Okay.
Yes, I sent it to other, I placed it in other WhatsApp groups. And so I accessed the website and look at what the criteria were and then uploaded my documents. So it's like submitted a portfolio of all you have done over the years.
And how many years have you been in this industry?
So I'm in nursing over 32 years, right? And I'm in nursing education for 24 years.
Wow, right. Wow. And professor for how many?
Well, I was just promoted to professor in September.
Oh, so look here, man. This is your year.
I'm newly minted, yes.
This year.
My season, as we would say.
It's your season. Blessings on you.
Thank you.
So you uploaded.
Yes.
There were like 158 people
189.
189 folks in your category.
So in May, I received an email to congratulate me for being a semi-finalist of 189 entrants. And I'm like, semi-finalist, oh my goodness. And then I said, well, it's semi-finalist. I may not make it to the final, but I maintain a positive mindset. And then in June, I received an email to say, congratulations, we're thrilled to advise that you are a finalist in the Caribbean Global Awards. And I'm like, finalist, yay! And then I got a flyer that they had with the different categories. And I observed that I was one of 3 in 3 categories. And I'm like, this must be God.
Has to be.
This must be God. And then I, decided that the ceremony is in the UK, but girl, this is an achievement and you are going to attend this ceremony because I know I can only be first, second or third.
But
I'm a winner. Exactly. I'm already a winner for a Jamaican to be placed of 189 at such high level. I thought, go and sit in the ceremony and enjoy it.
Amazing.
Right, and so
you went to the ceremony.
I went to the ceremony.
And not only did you enjoy it, but again, you had to buy another suitcase to carry your award alone.
Right.
You said in the moment your name was called, it felt surreal.
Because it's not often that you get recognized for your contribution. And I thought to be recognized on this stage, at this level, was quite an achievement. And to think that, this is like a girl from country.
Who would have had one subject. Look at that.
I could have thrown it in and call it, quits. But I decided, regardless of what situation I find myself in, I'm going to make the most of it. And to be recognized at this level was quite an achievement for me. And so even when they announced the Global Nurse of the Year, I was like, this is it. At least I've won one, even though it's a tie, but I'm still excited about it. But when they said Global Health Leader of the Year, I'm like, for real?
What does that mean? What is Global Health Leader of the Year?
Right. So it's your contribution and achievement in the field of health throughout your sojourn, throughout my sojourn as a nurse. And so as you may be aware, I write on health issues in Jamaica. I make my contribution in different areas, not only worked as a clinical nurse at the Jamaican hospital, but I have been contributing to education and I joined the debates on health issues and things like those. So
Bachelor of Laws with first class from UTech, Bachelor of Science in Nursing with first class honors, a Master of Science in Nursing with distinction, Certificate in Nursing Education with honors from the University of West Indies, Mona, and a PhD in Nursing from. So there's no more awards to be won. Also, no more degrees for Prof to get because what? So now here you are, global health leader, Global Nurse of the Year. These are the medals, accolades to go. What does this now do for you? Because if I am an employer overseas and I see like these accolades for you, I'm going to try to sue you. But your roots are firmly planted here.
In Jamaica, exactly. I don't think I can be uprooted at this stage. It's not that I have not had invitations.
Yeah, I'm sure.
But yes, and as you may be aware, my PhD I earned in Wellington, New Zealand. And I lived in New Zealand for 4 years. And if you know New Zealand, who would want to live in New Zealand? It's a beautiful country. And of course, the peace and the love from people there. But I just believe somebody has to remain in Jamaica for our Jamaican people. And so that is why I'm still here. I could have migrated many years ago.
You opt
but I opted
to stay and build.
To serve my Jamaican people. Yes.
Excellent. So what's next for you, Prof, with this now?
Well, I'm energized to continue making my contribution to the Jamaican society and the Caribbean and the world at large. I know I get invitation from time to time to present at conferences overseas, and it's strange that I don't think these people really know me. They scan the internet and they find your profile and you get these invitations. And so I will continue to make my contribution in nursing education, nursing generally, the health sector generally, and wherever I'm asked to assist in any area, any other field, I will also do what I can. And of course, I like serving the people through service clubs and so on. I will also continue to make my contribution. I'm a Kiwanian. And so, yes, I will continue to make my contribution in that area. And as you may have seen also, I'll be keynote speaker at a conference in Thailand in another few days.
To the world.
So, right.
Globe, here she comes. World, here she comes.
So I'll be off to Thailand in a few days to present at that conference. And just to add also that one chapter of the Edwin Allen High School, that's the DC, Maryland, Virginia chapter, they have invited me to their gala, which will be held in November, where they will be honoring me for my achievements over the years.
Frequent flyer miles. I'm going to be racked up, is what Prof.
So I have those on the agenda at the moment. And of course, I will continue to make my contribution to Jamaica to make it a place.
The place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business. Right. Wow, we applaud you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. I think there are great things ahead for you, and the fact that you have chosen to stay here and build. You know, two key takeaways for me. One, you miss 100% of the chances that you don't take, because here was Prof sending this thing to other people before she thought to herself, let me apply. And then two, you just never ever know what will happen. You sit here doing your work in your small corner, you don't realize that what you're doing is a mammoth task at the highest level. So benchmark yourself above or with the rest and the best. And don't ever count yourself out, because you never know.
True.
Don't it?
So true.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. And I just want to say thanks. I just want to say thanks to everyone who has contributed to my journey so far. I'm really appreciative, whether you prayed for me or you made me an offer or you assisted me in some way or the other. I'm really appreciative.
Yes, ma'am. Gratitude is a must.
Yeah,
Bet on you, everybody, is a message. Bet on you. Dean of the College of Health Sciences at the University of Technology. Please say hi to your boss for me.
I will.
With us this morning. We say thank you very much, Professor Adela Campbell, for passing through. Still to come, Pilot Perfection with the Design Diva. But first, second edition of News in 5 is next. Still come.